Hi everyone, I'm Destiny from Talis Jones.
And I'm Fode.
And today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the new DJI Dock 2 and the new DJI Matrix 3 TD.
But first, we're going to start off with this guy right here, the Dock 2. And then we're going to finish it off with the Matrix. So let's start the unboxing process. What I noticed when I was bringing this here, it was the first time lifting a Dock 2 or any dock in general, was for me, it wasn't as heavy. But for her, she said
I was struggling a little bit. I feel like it was more a two-people job doing this than carrying it by yourself. I don't know.
I would say about maybe 40 upwards to 60 pounds, but
I would say around there too.
If take off the top, I see a bunch of diagrams here. What do you think it means?
I believe it's like a template of the, like where you're gonna place the DJI Dock at. And then it has like the screws of like where you're ready to start placing it. You could just go ahead and screw it there. So this is very important. Don't throw it away, you guys.
Yeah, I almost did. Okay, if we open the box itself, you first see, it looks like a manual. Well packaged, by the way.
And stickers. Comes with stickers too, I see.
What is that?
I believe it's like spare parts, or I believe it's just
Accessories?
accessories, I believe. I think it's the screws. The screws to screw on the template.
Yes.
So whenever you're ready to go ahead and take it, you're good to go.
All right, now let's take off the foam.
Very well organized. Also, side note, I also heard that this one is less heavy than compared to the first DJI Dock. I saw some like couple videos of it being more lightweight for sure.
All right. Now, let's lift up the top off.
Very convenient. I like that. I like that you're just able to slide it off.
Comes with a pink.
How do you lift this up?
Let's cut this out. Now that the Dock 2 is out the box, first impression, it looks sleek, don't it?
Yeah, very nice, very smooth, and I believe it's plastic too, right?
Yes, it is plastic.
That is very convenient.
I also noticed when we were taking it out of the box, the foam has a hidden compartment.
It does. So we did forget something. So very important, you guys. Just go ahead and lift this open and put this aside. This is basically the wind speed gauge. It basically helps, kind of like a weather station, I would say.
Really? It also looks like it has a camera at the front.
Yeah, it comes with a camera and I believe a light as well too. So whatever you decide to take this, basically it'll help detect or indicate how fast the wind is going around whatever location you're at.
Yeah, sounds cool. So I'm gonna set this here for now. Later on in the video, she's gonna connect it right here. But let me show you guys the front of the Dock 2. So right here is where you connect the power connector, which is the AC in. Right next to it is the LAN in, which is located right here. Also, as you can see, there's also labels on it, so you're not really gonna get confused or anything. There should also be like a hidden compartment, which is here, a little cubby. You just simply open it, and you should see the on and off switch, as well as the buttons to open the top compartment. It's left to right to turn it on, right to left to turn it off. After we unbox the thermal drone, we will be using this section, so stay tuned. You'll be seeing us turn it on and off to open this side right here. But that is all that is featured at the front.
Also, this red stop emergency button, just if there are ever any emergencies, you just go ahead and press on it and push it out as well too.
Of course. As you can see, it's a bit of a square. So you have the front here, you have the sides. There's nothing really on the sides. As I rotate it, I'll show you. See, nothing here as well. But the back does have these two components here. I open it.
Something on this side, but there's nothing on this side.
And honestly, that's all you see in terms of appearance on the Dock 2. Now, like I stated earlier in the video, she's gonna connect this to right here.
Go ahead and put this
Yes.
on the side. There we go.
Really simple connection, honestly. It's right at the bottom. You just connect it, you just place it in. But yeah, that is the Dock 2, ladies and gentlemen. But now that we've seen the Dock 2, it's time for us to unbox the thermal drone. And stay tuned, we're gonna unbox the thermal drone as well as use both devices to see how it operates.
All right, guys, so this is the new DJI Matrix 3 TD. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Actually, before we start, let's go ahead and lift it. Do you want to go ahead and do the honors?
For me, it's more so super light, as you can see, and even one-handed if you want, right here.
Let me go ahead and try to test it out. Yeah, honestly, I would say the same. It's pretty light. I mean, it makes sense because it's supposed to fit inside the DJI Dock.
True. Now let's see how it looks on the inside. The box itself. Huh. Manual. Right here.
And then this is basically our point of view of what we're seeing right now, you guys. So go ahead and lift this. Thank you.
So once you take out the foam, this is what you see. A bit of just the drone itself. Comes with more stickers and
propellers.
And that's about it, really.
Let's go ahead. Do you want to do the honors?
Taking it
out?
Yes. And this is how it looks.
Very nice.
Again, this is a demo version. Both of these are actually demo versions. So it comes with, obviously, with the camera, with a thermal sensor, and as well as the radar on the top and at the bottom.
Yeah, and I believe it is more for like safety security from what I've seen. It's just more for, yeah, like just safety security purposes.
All right. So now that we have seen both the Dock 2 and the thermal drone, we will be putting this in here.
Alrighty, do you want to go ahead and do the honors for me, please?
Yes.
Very excited. First impressions to see how this thing opens up. Nice. Alrighty, and I believe the drone goes here. And boom, it's like a perfect fit.
Yes, it is.
So this is it, you guys, the new DJI Dock 2 with the new DJI Matrix 3 TD.
Yes, thank you for watching. And guys, please hit the subscribe, like. If you're on socials watching this video, please hit the follow button. Leave a comment if you like some of our videos, and as well as check out some of those videos as well. I'm Fode once again from Talus Marketing.
And I'm Destiny once again from Talus Jones Marketing.
Yes. Let me close this up.
Ooh. Very exciting.
All right. Later.